It makes them drool. We got a winner. We got a winner. Yeah, we got a winner. What you think, Belly? Is this a winner? Mr. Smithers. We got chicken hog problems. Chicken hog problems. Scaring the eggs right out of them. Belly love her daddy. Yeah.
You're out of breath already.
She's been out of breath even when she's in the house. After she comes in, it takes her a while. She's old. She's old. She probably has some heart problems.
Bella.
Bella. Look, these are the roosters protecting their flock, trying to keep them in check while the threat's out there. This chicken is maybe a rooster that ain't showed itself yet. It's sure acting like a rooster. And there's the leghorns. They're doing their thing. He hides his chicks and he'll go and try to get him a couple of black Marans. Come on, Belly. Where you at, girl? You gonna go lay down in the grass or what? You could take a break if you need to.